demonstrate how we do staining on stone. First of all, you're going to need to take some of the stain that matches the color of the stone when it's dry. You're going to need one of these. I think it's some kind of sander. Don't know where I picked it up. First, we're going to need a little bit of Portland or it won't stick. So whatever color mud you're using, it really won't matter. Get some of that lime on there. Get some of that Portland. We're just going to go over the infected areas that have mortar on it from previous people. Take your other side. Immediately, while it's still got the wet dampness from the Portland, we're going to start to dab it. You can shape the edge if you want. And what you're going to want to do now is take the other side, dip it in your water, and now we're going to kind of overdo it with clean water. And what this is going to do is cause it to bleed and not look like it's pastel and bring some of the other stone out, and it's going to feather it. So we're just dabbing right now. This was a big area here that was basically all mortar because this was a hole like this. And so what we did was we squared up a corner and then we dyed it. Now let's come over to where it's finished and dry. You can see right here where the edge of the stone is. We just filled it in with mortar and then went ahead and these edges. So when it's dry, this is pretty much the look you're going to have.